Have you ever imagined if there was a way that we could be making $40 in less than 6 minutes? It seems better than spending all day typing in papers, turning in assignments, or maybe just working on your computer all the time, doesn't it? Well, what if we told you there is a way to do that, and we're exactly going to be talking about today. All you have to do is follow a few very simple steps, and you're going to start making money in no time. If you're super excited and you just can't wait, then open up. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. To start, all you need is a computer or a mobile phone, of course, and an internet connection, and that is pretty much it. It's gonna give you around $30, $40 in about 2 minutes, and that's over $150 in about 10 minutes, or almost $500 in 30 minutes. So how are we gonna do this? First, get some tea, get some coffee, watch this video, make sure you don't miss anything at all. It's free, it's worldwide available. As always, we know you guys are just gonna love it. It's beginner friendly, you don't need any skills, any prior experience. Is going to be perfect for you. So let's jump right into it. Now, our website for today, an amazing one by the way, is called AskWonder.com. Now, if you're wondering what this website is all about and what it does, what it gives, AskWonder is a personal research assistant that saves students and other professionals time by getting detailed answers and resources to their email from a trustworthy network of researchers. So, now if you actually visit their website, it says, great research is delivered fast, which is obviously a very strong claim that these researchers from this website actually are able to live up to. Now, if you scroll down, you're gonna see sample researchers that you can actually check out, and each and every one of these offers and each of every one of these researchers, they offer very great and well-written research answers. Now, there are two types of people to visit this website. So first type is those who have research questions that they need to be answered, and then there are those who provide these great and brilliant answers. Now, the whole thing that happens on this website is that people who have different research ideas that they want to work on are brought into the website, and the individuals behind Ask Wonder, they then create these great questions, research questions, that are placed at the center of the problem. It's basically building the research team and then bringing in like hundreds of amazing analysts from all over the world, depending on how great and complex the project is. Now, the analysts, they will examine publicly the indexed sources using modern research methodologies. They solve each jigsaw puzzle in real time before they combine it into a brief, and using their knowledge, their great knowledge, assembly process. Their research will actually go through a number of quality tests, which is actually expected, and it's good to know before it is actually returned to the client. But how exactly are we going to be earning money from this? I mean, it sounds so complex, it sounds so complicated. We just want something simple. But basically what you're going to be doing, you're going to be doing the simplest end of this entire process. You are going to be one of Ask Wonder's researchers, and you're going to be providing answers to wandering questions. And that's correct, okay? You're going to have to be one of the research analysts to earn money, right? But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how you watching this video, how you're going to become an amazing research analyst without even using your brain, without having to go through an entire class to learn how. It's super simple. I want you guys to answer this question. I promised you that you were going to earn $40 in less than 5 minutes. Let's say $500 in 30 minutes. So what are you going to do as soon as you receive this big buck of money? I'm just curious. And while you're at it, include what country hear from, and what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down and use them. Anyway, moving forward, yes, it's completely possible, and I am going to guide you every step of the way. So first things first, you're going to check at the upper right of the pages, and you're going to click on the Become a Researcher button. So if you want to join, if you're interested in joining, you're going to click the sign up button, and then you're going to start filling in very basic information like your work name. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions. And now that you're accepted, there are several questions for you to answer and submit an article worth at least $30. It's getting really exciting, right? So by simply answering these very easy questions, you're going to make at least $30 to $40, and that's just the minimum amount. As soon as you're all signed up, we can start making money right away and start talking about how you're going to start making money. And as I've mentioned, there are several questions available that you have to answer. And they are constantly updated whenever a customer comes in and wants his or her thoughts or queries published. So it's your responsibility as a registered research analyst to be able to answer these questions correctly. And there is a very easy approach and an easy way to answer these questions without breaking the sweat and without having such a hard time, which I am going to be sharing with you very shortly. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you, you're not going to regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that, and I'm going to reveal what I was about to show you, that simple approach. Now that you're all signed in, you're in your dashboard, you're going to see a lot of projects that you can answer. I'm going to teach you a very good way to answer these questions successfully in under a few minutes. You're going to click on the projects that you wish to work on and answer. Then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to submit a file. So for example, if you're maybe asked this question, okay, you don't have to create your own answer, because all you have to do is do your own research by opening up google.com, pasting that question there, looking through possible answers, okay? Google is your best friend here, but if you have any other search engines that you may know about or that is the most convenient for you to use, then you can go ahead and use that. But basically all you have to do, again, is copy the question, paste it into the search engine, then you're going to see so many different answers, right? It's all over here. It's simple, right? Now, the most useful suggestion that I have for you is to actually look for sources that have been verified since, Ask Wonder is partnered with a large variety of legit companies, which means your sources have to be just as credible and legit as those companies because you don't want to lose money, you want to earn money, right? So after you've searched on Google, you've opened your MS Word file or Google Docs, you're then going to start typing or maybe copy pasting the best answers for the article in which you've chosen to answer. You're going to combine all of those answers that you've found from different sources into one document, but you have to really pay attention as to how the answer comes to be, if they go out together, if they sound a little bit separate. You're going to have to make sure that your sentences are complete. You're going to have to make sure your grammar is correct. So it's easy because Google Docs actually checks that for you, so no problem. And make sure they're all going with one flow. And once you're done, you're going to submit it to the question that you've chosen, and you don't even have to worry about payment because in just a few hours, and like I said, minutes, okay, as long as your PayPal account or your bank account is linked to Ask Wonder, your money, that payment will be sent straight away to your account. You'll be notified in under a few hours maybe. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you try this website out, and I will see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.